Hey boys and girls, this week, your week 7 of your home learning, you are going to be learning about adverbs. So we're going to do a quick lesson on adverbs. An adverb adds to a verb. So it's a word that actually adds to your verb. And this name helps you remember what an adverb is. Adverb. It adds to a verb. Now remember, a verb is a word that shows action. So adverbs add to those words to help tell how something happened, when something happened, or where something happens. So adverbs add to the verb. We're going to look at some examples, and to help us identify the verb and the adverb, I underlined and circled in this word adverb. So our verb, we're going to have underlined red, and our adverb, we're going to circle in blue. Now, the reason we did that is because an adverb almost always comes right after a verb, or it can even come right before a verb. So if you're identifying an adverb in a sentence, you have to find your verb and then find the word that is telling about that verb, that's adding to the verb to tell how, when, or where. All right, let's look at these examples. Okay, number 1. The dog ran quickly. What did the dog do? It ran. Ran is our verb. And right after it, we see our adverb. This word is quickly. A lot of adverbs end in ly. That's just a little hint. The dog ran quickly. This tells how the dog ran. We could leave the adverb off, and then the sentence would not be so detailed. It would just be the dog ran. But we wanted to add the adverb to tell a little bit more about it. The dog ran quickly. So quickly is your adverb. All right, let's look at number 2. The baby will sleep now. All right, what is our verb? Sleep. The baby will sleep. That tells the action. And if you look right after, this is our adverb. This is an adverb that is telling when. The baby will sleep now. So not only will the baby will sleep, but the baby will sleep now. This helps tell when the baby's going to sleep. All right, so now is our adverb in that one. All right, let's look at number 3. Birds live everywhere. What do birds do? They live. Live is your action word. That's your verb. And right after it, we find our adverb that adds to that verb and tells that birds live everywhere. All right? Okay, let's look. I have a number 4 down here. We can go ahead and read that. I wanted to show you how sometimes an adverb comes before the verb. Let's read number 4 down here. I happily play games. Our verb is play. That tells what we're doing. But this tells how we're doing it. I happily play games. So what is our adverb? Happily. It's telling how. All right, I made a list here, and let's read through these words. We've got some how adverbs, when adverbs, and where adverbs, and we're going to read through them. All right. Remember, I told you that a lot of adverbs end in ly. All right, let's read our how adverbs. Carefully, happily, quickly, slowly. All right? Think about verbs that you could put these adverbs with and make up some sentences and maybe write them down. Or even say them out loud. Come up with sentences. We can try with carefully. I carefully ride my bike. I carefully ride my bike. So carefully goes with ride. All right? So you try that and try to put these adverbs with verbs in sentences. Let's go to this list. These are adverbs that tell when. So let's read these. We have daily, today, weekly, then. All right? So think about those adverbs and when you could use those. We can practice with this one. I make my bed daily. So this tells when You make your bed. All right, and let's look at our where adverbs. These adverbs tell where something happens. Here, inside, out, anywhere. Let's make a sentence using here. So, let's play here. So here describes where we're going to play. Let's play here. All right, this was the quick lesson on adverbs. Let's review what an adverb is. An adverb is a word that adds to a verb. So an adverb adds to a verb to tell how, when, or where something happens. All right, so have fun learning about adverbs this week. I know y'all will do great.